Imagine your brain as a super smart computer that helps you do everything from picking up a pencil to deciding what game to play. It's made up of different parts that work together like a team, with its own special job. Let's walk through how this team helps us move and make decisions. At the heart of movement is the motor cortex. Think of it as the director of a movie, telling the actors your muscles when to move and how. It sends out instructions down your spinal cord to your muscles, making sure everything works in sync for you to walk, wave, or wiggle your toes. Then, we have the basal ganglia and the cerebellum, kind of like the brain's quality control department. The basal ganglia are like the planners, helping decide on the best movements for what you want to do. The cerebellum is the adjuster, fine-tuning these movements. So you can pour a glass of water or hit a baseball without thinking too hard about it. Our spine is also key, especially for actions that need a rhythm like walking or running. It's got its own set of circuits that work like a drumbeat, setting the pace for our movements without us having to direct every step. But the brain isn't just about moving. It's also our decision-making, HQ. When we decide to move, it's not just one part of the brain acting alone. It's a whole team effort. Different parts chat with each other to get our muscles moving in the right way. Making decisions, from what to eat to who to hang out with, involves a lot of brain power too. The brain weighs the good and bad, using special skills called executive functions. These skills help us focus, remember things for a short while, and juggle different tasks. There's a special part of the brain, the periaqueductal gray, that helps us with our feelings. It's important because how we feel can really influence the choices we make. From choosing to avoid something scary to deciding to go after something we really want. And there's more to the brain than just helping us as individuals. It also helps us understand and interact with other people. This is where social neuroscience comes in. It looks at how our brain helps us read people's faces, understand the unspoken rules of being together, and even try to figure out what others are thinking. All these parts of the brain, working together, make it possible for us to move through our day, make all sorts of decisions, and interact with the world and people around us. It's like having a super complex, super smart team right inside our heads, helping us navigate life.